What's going on, guys? I'm Kelly. This is Backyard Built. Well, when you're doing 130 with no speedometer. Alright, so it's been a while since I put out a video. I've been doing a lot of little things on the Z, trying to get it ready to drive. Still have a lot of body work to do on this side and get it all primed, but this is all I gotta do to get it all one color. I think I'm just gonna do some flake clear coat and clear coat over that, and it should look pretty tight. Don't want to go too ham, I just want to enjoy it this year. There will be a phase 2, I'm sure, but I just want to get this in one piece, one color, going down the road. I'm sure you boys know how it is. It's been a project of mine for 5 years, and I drove it for about 1, so I think it's time to take it out. So stay tuned for that. And there's going to be a build series coming on the S14. I'm turning this into my drift missile. I'm still going to drift the FRS, but this is going to be the door banger. I got RB20 I'm going to slap in here. And yeah, she'll get down. She's crusty. She needs some body work for sure, but it's a drift missile. Why not? So stay tuned for that, boys. road. Well, when you're doing 130 with no speedometer, still got torque to brake shit. Check. Well, there's a problem right there. Gotta love high cast. Took the Z out driving for a few days. Ended up breaking a rear tow arm. Right at the heim joint up there. It's no longer connected. They're crusty anyways, but got some Godspeed ones. Pull these ones out, pull it apart. Throw the freshies in. This one's broken. See, we welded it, then it just broke again. These were old and crusty. Now, the freshies in there, the uppers. Need to get new ones for these. These ones are pretty crusty too. Getting there.